Sophie. The bird garden. I've always wanted to come here. That was incredible.
Thank you very much. I'm Norman.
Hello, Norman.
What's the matter, Sooty? What do you mean, where do the batteries go? They don't run on batteries. No, they're live birds. That's Percy, Cyril, Harold, Jean-Pierre. Of course they're very clever, yes. They certainly are. Why, this is so... There you go.
Look at that.
You look really good.
Oh,
Oh,
Sooty.
yes, smashing.
What's that, Bird Brain? Oh, it's nearly time for the circus.
Well, I like circus. We like circuses, don't we, boys?
Would you like to come?
I lost again. Shall we go to the circus? Yes.
Great. Well, we'll see you later then.
Why, that's good. See you there.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Oh, hello, you three. Hey, you haven't seen the circus performers on your travels, have you? The audience are coming in.
No.
Oh, this is a disaster. Mr. Slater said he was going to give me the sack if anything went wrong. What am I going to do? Oh, no.
Go on, Richard. We know lots of tricks.
Hey? And you don't need batteries?
No.
Batteries? Oh, I'm not sure about this. Hey! Hey, come back!
Okay, everything's going to be fine. What's that, Sooty? Right, everything will be fine. We won't let you down, Sooty. We don't want to let him down.
Mr. Norman Barrett and his amazing budgies!
Hold tight. Up. Good boy. 1, 2. And 1 way 3. That's fine. Oh, good boy. That's it. Come on. Boy, action. Ow. One more time, John. That's better, sir. Hey, good boy, that's fine. That is. Right, you've got it going now. Watch very carefully. Here we go. This is it. Ready, right. Up 1. Come on. Up 2. Come on. Up 3. Up 4. Up. Right, don't get in the car. Now, what's going to happen? He's going to run on up. You don't know what you're doing, do you? Let me try. So show him what to do. All you've got to do is run along the table and sit on the counter. Sooty, what shall I do with him? Sort them out? Good idea. You better get down. Get out of the way. Keep on this fire. There you go. Okay? Now look. All you've got to do, when I say quick as you can, not me. Done it all wrong. On the car. Hurry up. Okay. All right. You're doing very good.